नमस्कार दोस्तों, today's topic is special relaxation under GFR for scientific ministries departments conducting research. This office memorandum outlines special provisions for scientific ministries, departments and organizations for the procurement of scientific equipment and consumables for research purpose following amendments made to the GFR 2017. We will discuss this further. I request the new viewers to please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. So, this recent amendment in GFR 2017 in respect to ministries, departments and universities conducting research is very important. The applicability of the same is the provisions applies only to the selective scientific ministries departments like DST, DBT, CSIR, DRDO, ISRO, ICAR, ICMR and educational institutions conducting research under any ministry. So this is specifically very important for vice chancellors and directors of listed scientific organizations which procure scientific items from sources other than GEM. So the enhanced limit is under 154, 155, 166 or 161 and 162 of GFR. Under Rule 154, the limit has been enhanced from 1 lakh to 2 lakh. Under Rule 155, the limit has been enhanced from 1 lakh to 2 lakh and 10 lakh to 25 lakh. And Rules 162, that is limited tender inquiry, from 50 lakh to 1 crore. And Rule 161, that is 80 from 50 lakh to 1 crore. So, in global tender inquiry, Vice Chancellor directors are authorized to approve GTE up to Rs 200 crore under GFR 161(4) if justified. Monitoring requirement. Annual list of such procurements must be shared with the concerned administrative ministry. Compliance with previous instructions. Ministries must follow prior instructions issued in relevant OMs from 2018, 20, 21 and 24. And specifically for state government universities, if state government has adopted or endorsed this OM, then they can also use this. This is very important for universities and their research can be get improved, and they will get improved NIRF ranking and NAC ranking. I hope the issue is clear. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening.